Okay, so I've had an issue with my tripod ball. This is the one that sits the camera, because this camera, the lens is very heavy. So what I've been doing is I've been having to tie a hair tie to hold it so that the neck doesn't fall down. Okay, so I went and I ordered this on Amazon. So I ordered another one of the ball, and hopefully this will be more sturdy. So the camera kind of sits on top of this, and the ball is supposed to not move so much. And if I show you a good close-up of it, you can see that there's a knob here that the knob can be turned to readjust. So when you turn the knob like this, it makes it so that the ball head area doesn't stop wobbling. So if you want to put it in a fixed position, you can put it in a fixed position, and then you can tighten it right like this. So we're going to go and we're going to install it on top of the tripod. So my tripod this is my Neewer tripod. The brand of the tripod is Neewer brand, right over there. So I'm going to take out my camera. I'm going to take out the faulty one. So this is a faulty one, and I'm also going to stop installing this stuff here. I'm going to show you how to uninstall the faulty one. So this is the faulty one. The faulty one, you can see the camera is not staying put at all. Using the faulty one, the camera doesn't stay in the right angle, and even if you position it well, it doesn't stay, even though this area is locked up. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you want to first take out off the camera. So we're going to remove the camera, and this camera, this is Canon 80D EOS 80D. And the reason why it's wobbly is because the lens itself, it's a pretty heavy lens. So yeah, that's why. Take out the camera right there. That's the camera. And I'm going to take out the faulty one. So to uninstall the faulty one, you just loosen up this neck area, and you can see how this shouldn't be as bad as this. I'm gonna give you a close-up. I've been using this for a while, so if I take this, you can see how it wobbles like that. Now the base area, this base area stays on the tripod. Okay, you don't want to move it. Then you can just unscrew. So just unscrew it like that. So you can see that it really is worn out. You can see the ball compared to this newer one. This is the newer one. You see the color of the ball. The ball is not worn out. This one is fine. So I'm going to replace it right now. And to replace it, what you want to do is you just want to take it. You want to make sure you clean this area. So I'm just going to clean it like that and just replace it. Just turn it like this. Once you've turned it and you've positioned the base, the head, that's what I call it, the head, you can use this to tighten the way you want the head to be. So I'm going to tighten this. Now the head is at a flat surface. I've increased the tracking or threading right over here, and we're going to install the camera on top now. Camera on top, you can see, even though the camera is heavy, you can see that the camera doesn't wobble, it doesn't move at all. It's firmly in place, and that is how you reinstall it. And the faulty one, you can't really do much with this. This is trash. So yeah, so the one that I got is one of the best. It's from Neewer. It's the one that actually comes with this. This one was faulty because it's no brand, and even if you buy this one, which is from the brand, after a while you do still have to replace it because they do get worn out, and I record all the time. So hopefully this has helped someone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.